Honorable Speaker, I beg to introduce to you the member-elect for Kasipul constituency, the Honorable Ongondo Boyd Were.
Bible or Quran? Raise in your right hand and recite the oath.
I, Ongondo Boyd Were, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I'll bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I'll obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I'll faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a Member of Parliament. So help me God.
Congratulations. You may proceed and sign to the oath.